Play your moves so carefully, just the way you wanted me. Small and silent, day by day, never knowing what to say. But I'm starting to see the cracks in this perfect little act, rising up from where I fell, breaking out of this spell. I'm not your toy anymore. Can't wind me up like before. Once we break away and soar through the open door, not your toy anymore. Plastic smile, painted face, moving at your steady pace. Thought you held strings, kept me trapped in black and white. Now I'm learning how to breathe, finding what's inside of me. And I'm starting to feel alive as I learn to survive, sing up beyond your reach, finding my own speed. I'm not your toy anymore. Can't wind me up like before. Watch me break away and soar through the open door. Not your toy anymore. You thought you could keep me small, displayed behind your perfect wall. But now I'm walking tall and you can't control me at all. I'm not your toy anymore.